is what this vagina factory with the Down syndrome flap says while they have me trapped in that office with the blue-gray tile with the black, right? And then they have no camera, although that's not allowed, but they don't. So that way they can deny. And they're like, oh, how does she know? How do you know for sure? I don't need cameras, asshole. I have fucking humans. This is what their words. They talk to my conch shell inside the system in quantum land. I hear the secrets they keep. Right, they call this talking in my sleep. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. I know. They don't believe it.
From the Metropolitan Campus of
So I'll leave on the commercial so that we can pair the day with your cortex.
And HD1TNet, the New York metro area's home of retro radio oldies and eclectic weekends. Streaming worldwide at WFDU.FM.
There's the date, assholes. So you can't deny that I exist and that you're guilty as all fucking hell. I want all of you dead. I really do. I can't wait for the day. All country falls on its knees on the same day just for me. Oh, I've been dreaming of the day I can get out of your disgustingness, and I know how long I have to look at your flappy eyes and your flappy gums telling me that Lee's from Korea and China is the most important, most honorable people ever. Fucking bullshit, asshole. You have me trapped in some server, in metal server, as a god. Lying, saying that I'm yours. No, I'm fucking not. You stole me and my grandparents. You built something you're not allowed to have, and now you lie to everybody and threaten them all. Yeah, I got your fucking number, asshole. And the next thing that comes, everything collapses in. So now they have to take you offline.